Hello everyone. So today we are going to visit a waterfall named as Sanamavu waterfall, if I'm not wrong. It is at a distance of around 47 kilometers from Central Silk Road in Bengaluru. So we have to go via Attibele and then Hosur, and then I think we have to take a right turn from there as per the Google map. So yeah, me, my husband and all some of our friends are going there. So let's go there and enjoy. So we are waiting on Hosur Road. Some of our friends are ahead of us, and some means one of my school friends, Kipila and Asif are coming. So they'll reach us within 5 to 10 minutes, and we'll head together. You happy? So let's go!
Sure.
Wow! Look at this beautiful cut mountain. Wow, this reminds of village. The beautiful life of people who are living away from cities and leading just a peaceful life. This is so we have reached this location. It's not a bigger one, but a flat one. खितिजा और ये है आशीष भैया रेडी रेडी आम्ही जेवढं परस्पर ब्लॉग रहते दरकार स्माइल This is Riyaz bhai and this is Dadu bhai. This is my husband doing useless things. Singles. And say what And here is the best view of this place. I mean, this was really a great place. The water wasn't as much clean as such, but the flow of water from the higher to the lower flat was really awesome and it was eye-catching. So here we are leaving the place for now. We just stayed here for 1 hour as it was already evening, but this was worth watching. Look at how beautiful the sky is. Kitija, hostelu vlog ko nahi. Oh,
ठीक है तोड़ को हाँ हाँ ठीक है मैं तोड़ अप्रूव करन देता हूँ.
Oh wow. This is the way why we are returning.
Yeah.